Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to try and pick this Squire 220. They're all numbered. They do go incrementally up in size and number. I don't think I've got a 330, or if they even make one. I've got a 440, I've got a 550. See, they're getting bigger and bigger. I don't have a 660 yet, but one is coming, I think. And there's a 770 that was gifted to me by Locknoob. Name drop. Just to go extra silly, that is a Squire Defiant. Absolutely beastly compared to that. Right. Only fault I found with this is the little shutter here can kick over a little bit, so if I have issues picking, that's what I'm going to blame it on. Right. And tonight, rather than my standard Andy Mac set that I have and my very poorly made tension device that I made, I'm going to go tonight with a MadBobs kit. Tried it before. Oh, did it? Tried it before and it works perfectly, as long as you know what you're doing. So, fits in there nice, if the guard doesn't get in the way. Right, pick wire, nicely made, nice metal, springy, doesn't bend. Well, doesn't bend how it shouldn't do. Let's turn this like that. Let's get that in frame. Try and tighten up a little bit more. Probably not going to happen. So I'm just going to prop that up there. And let's try and get this thing opened. Like I say, they're all, these Squires are all 4 levers. Better side view. And principle's the same for all lever locks. Just feel through. Find a lever. Touch it a bit. Lift it a bit. And work yourself forwards to back. And then you should get an open. So, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. That's it. Squire 220 picked open. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.